porch swing, lost in the rhythm the wire hook brings, a lemon granny square.
Welcome back to Van Crochet channel. I use the same pattern to create different granny square, and this is for the watermelon, the dragon fruit, the kiwi in green, and the kiwi in yellow. And today I'm gonna show you how to make this lemon granny square in green, and this is the yellow lemon. You can choose like the orange granny square too. So you can use this at a coaster. I'm planning to use those granny square and combine them into a tote bag. I will show you guys how to make this lemon granny square. We're gonna need 3 colors. This one in banana to divide the segment, and the second color in Olive Garden in green, and this is for the base in chiffon. Just like the previous project, I used the loop and press the classic cotton yarn. We also need a scissor. Today I'm gonna use the 3mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle to sew in the end. Grab the first color in yellow. We're gonna make the magic ring. To make the magic ring, wrap the yarn around the finger like this to form an X. Insert the hook under the X like this. Pull up. Remove the left finger. We just create the magic ring. Then chain 1, yarn over, pull through. The pattern for round 1, gonna 6 single crochet. Insert the hook into the ring. Pull up, yarn over, pull through. We just did the first single crochet. We're gonna repeat this for 5 more times. Insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through.
The quietest corner in all of the lands. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment.
I just complete 6 single crochet. We can count by the top. We're gonna pull to close up the ring. This is the first V, the top of the first single crochet. So we're gonna slip it into the first V to complete the round. Insert the hook under the first V, yarn over, pull through. We're gonna trim off the yarn. Grab the second color. We're gonna connect. We can count 2, 4, 6, and this is the slip stitch. We're gonna insert the hook under the first V. We're gonna pull the yarn from the back, pull up. So you will see I'm carry on the tail for the first color. Chain 1. The pattern for round 2, gonna 6 single crochet in green. And in green just means we're gonna make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Insert the hook into the same V, pull up, yarn over, pull through. We just did the first single crochet. We're gonna make second single crochet into the same V. Then increase into the second V, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Second single crochet into the same stitch. Repeating this for the rest of the 4 single crochet. 2 single crochet into the same stitch.
Afternoon light on the porch swing, lost in the rhythm the wire.
I just complete 6 in green, 12 single crochet for the second round. Before we slip it into the first V, we're gonna trim off the tail for the first round. We're gonna slip it into the first V, insert the hook under the V, pull up, pull through. The pattern for round 3, gonna single crochet and 1 in green, chain 1. We're gonna single crochet into the first V, insert the hook into the first V, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Then unintegrate into the coming V, 2 single crochet into the coming V. So we just did 1 2, 1 single crochet and unintegrate, repeating this for 5 more times. Single crochet into the coming V, integrate into the coming V. So I just complete 6 group of single crochet and integrate. We have 18 single crochet. I'm gonna slip it into the first V to complete the round 3. The pattern for round 4, gonna 1 integrate and 2 single crochet. We're gonna chain 1, then integrate into the first V. One more single crochet, then single crochet into the coming 2 stitch.
Lemon granny square in my hands, the quietest corner in all of the lands. Enjoy the moment.
So we just did 2 1 1. We're gonna repeat this for 5 more times. 2 into the coming stitch, 1 1. So we just did 2 1 1 for 2 times, repeating this, and join me back at the end of the round. I just complete 6 group of 2 1 1. We have 24 single crochet. We're gonna slip it into the first V to complete the round, then chain 1 just like the previous round. The pattern for round 5 will be 1 1 2 1. We're gonna single crochet into the first V, then single crochet into the second V, integrate into the third stitch, 1 more single crochet into the same stitch, single crochet into the coming stitch. After complete the first group, we should have 5 stitches, 1 1 2 1. Repeating this for 6 more times and join me back. I just complete 6 group of 1 1 2 1. We should have 30 single crochet. I'm gonna slip it into the first V to complete the round. Chain 1 to begin the round. The pattern for round 6 will be 1 2 1 1 1. We're gonna single crochet into the first V, integrate into the coming stitch, then single crochet into the coming 3 stitches. I just complete the first group of the 1 2 1 1 1. Repeating this and join me back at the end of the round. I just complete 36 single crochet for round 6. We're gonna change the color for the round 7. We're gonna insert the hook under the first V and pull the color from the back, then pull through. I'm gonna trim off the green from here. We're gonna chain 1. The pattern for round 7, gonna 1 integrate and 5 single crochet. We're gonna integrate into the first V, insert the hook under the first V, pull up, yarn over, pull through. 1 more single crochet into the same stitch, then single crochet into the coming 5 stitch, Now we can trim off the yarn at the back. Repeating this pattern for 1 integrate, 5 single crochet for 5 more times. I just complete 6 group of the integrate and 5 single crochet. We should have 42 single crochet. So we're gonna switch back to the green, insert the hook into the first V. Then we're gonna pull the green from the back. The pattern for round 8 will be 6 single crochet and 1 in green. Insert the hook into the first V. 5 more single crochet.
Afternoon light.
After 6 single crochet, we're gonna 1 in green.
Wire hook brings a lemon granny square.
I just complete a group of 6 single crochet and 1 in green. We're gonna repeat this pattern for the whole round. I just complete the round 8 for 48 single crochet. Now we're gonna slip it into the first V, then chain 1 before we trim off the yarn. So before we doing the base color, in case you want to do the dragon fruit, you can just take the photo. We're gonna use the same pattern to create the round and then changing the color on round 7 and 8. Same for the watermelon. We're gonna use the first color to create the round 1 to round 6 and then changing the color on 7 and 8. The kiwi, we have the same pattern like the lemon, the first round, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For round 8, we're gonna changing the color to the brown. This is the yellow kiwi, and this is for the yellow lemon. So now grab the base color. So now we're gonna pull the yarn from the first V. The V we just lifted. Insert the hook under the first V. Pull the yarn from here. Then we're gonna chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first 4 chain represent the first triple crochet and the chain 3 just for the space of the corner. We're gonna make 1 triple crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull up. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through. We're gonna triple crochet into the coming stitch. Yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the coming stitch. Pull up. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through. Double crochet into the coming 2 stitch. Yarn over 1. Insert the hook. Pull up. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through. Double crochet into the coming stitch. Half double crochet into the coming 2 stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through. Half double crochet into the coming stitch. Single crochet into the coming stitch. Then we're gonna mirror the pattern for this side. Half double crochet into the coming 2 stitch and double crochet into the 3rd and 4th stitch and triple crochet into the coming stitch just like this. Then we're gonna create another corner. So now we're gonna half double crochet into the coming 2 stitch. And double crochet into the coming 2 stitch. Then triple crochet into the coming stitch. The pattern for the corner, triple crochet, chain 3, triple crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over twice, insert the hook. Chain 3, triple crochet into the same stitch. So we're gonna repeat the pattern from this side to this side. We're gonna triple crochet double crochet into the coming 2 stitch, half double crochet into the coming 2 stitch, single crochet into the coming stitch, and we're gonna mirror the pattern from here to the other side. Half double crochet into the coming 2 stitch, and double crochet into the coming 2 stitch, and triple crochet into the coming stitch. So I just complete the pattern for this side. Please go ahead to create another corner, triple crochet, chain 3, triple crochet, then copy the pattern to this side and another corner, and join me back at the end of the round. I just complete the pattern for this side. We're gonna complete the first round of the base by slip it into the chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. So we just complete the first round of the base. For the second round, we're gonna chain 1. The pattern for the corner of the second round will be 2 half double crochet, chain 3, 2 half double crochet, 1 more half double crochet, chain 3, and 2 half double crochet to complete the corner. We just complete the first corner. We're gonna half double crochet into the coming 13 stitch. So we're gonna half double crochet into the first stitch, second stitch, repeating the pattern to half double crochet into the coming stitch.
Afternoon light on the
I just complete the 13 half double crochet. The pattern for the second corner will be the same as the first corner, 2 half double crochet, chain 3, 2 half double crochet, then repeating the 13 half double crochet. Continue with that for the corner, 13 half double crochet, and join me back at the end of the round. I just complete the 12 half double crochet. The last half double crochet will be under this V. This is the chain 4, which is at the triple crochet at the very beginning of the first round. So we're gonna yarn over, insert the hook under this V, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Then we're gonna slip it under this V, chain 1 to complete. So now we can trim off the yarn. We just complete the granny square. Go ahead and hide the yarn at the back. So cut the yarn like this long. With the tapestry needle, we're gonna divide the segment of the lemon. You can divide by 8 or 7 portions. It's up to you. We're gonna insert the needle from here, then into the center of the ring.
afternoon light on the porch swing, lost in the rhythm the wire hook brings. A lemon granny square in my hands, the quietest corner.
So now our lemon granny square is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment and let me know. It's very much appreciated.